Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is week 7 episodes where I've taken you from wherever you currently are to hopefully having a strategy, developing all of that, a trading plan, and now we're going to be cementing that trading plan into your brain so that you never forget it. Now, last week you should have written all this down. If you haven't seen any of those videos of the previous 7 in the series, make sure to go and watch those now, because anything after this is not going to make any sense. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I'm now doing daily videos, so it's super important. Whenever you're kind of wanting to have a routine of developing and getting better with something, you need to have a system in place. So if you decide to subscribe to the channel today, make sure to hit that bell button as well so that you get notifications through to your phone at 5 p.m. UK time so that you never miss that routine. Now, let's get into the video, and in today's video, we're going to be going over strategy mastery again, as well as in the last video. This is where you're going to be doing some more chart work. So previously, we haven't even touched the charts, you haven't even looked at the charts, or you have kind of a little bit through finding a strategy, but now we're actually going to be going onto the charts for real and getting stuck into that. I want you to find 100 examples of your trades. Now, this is up to you how you do this, but essentially you can either look for 50 winners and 50 losers, or you can look for 100 winners and 100 losers. It's completely up to you. The more you do, the better, but I understand, it is going to take some time. The more you do, the better. At least 50. Try and get to 100. Anywhere between 50 and 100 is amazing, so try and do that if you can. What I mean by find examples of, go onto your charts like you normally would if you're trading your strategy, so have all the indicators up exactly how you would, and go back in time and look for your entries. Now, the majority of the ones that you see to begin with are all going to be winners. And that is because you have a bias to find your winners to, say my strategy is profitable. But go back and actually have a look and see if you can find losers as well. Now, this will get easier and easier the more you do. The first kind of 10, 20, you're going to be a little bit stuck and you're just going to be finding the majority of winners. But the more you do it, the more the losers will stand out, the more the trades will stand out. And once you get to between 50 and 100 of each, they'll kind of switch and you'll be able to see those setups before they even occur, okay? And that is what you want. So for every single example that you find, let's say you find a winning trade, take a screenshot of that winning trade and then annotate it. So stick labels on it, print out and draw on it if you want to, but annotate it however you can. And basically just label every aspect of the trade. If you're doing an MA crossover strategy, for example, you'll say, okay, the MAs have crossed. Okay, we're now in an uptrend. I don't know, you got an engulfing candle here. Your stop loss would go here. Your take profit would go here. Blah, 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 blah. Annotate it as much as you possibly can. Screenshot it and basically save that in a folder. I personally put it up on Trello, but you can store that wherever you want. So once you've annotated and screenshot and saved 50 to 100 examples of winners and losers for your strategy, we can then move on to the next stage. Now, the next stage is going to be actually ranking those, but ranking them in terms of only your winners. So get the screenshots of only your winners and rank them from best winner to worst winner. Now, if that doesn't make sense, put it in the comments down below. But essentially what I mean is, if the markets could do exactly what you want, exactly, right, what would that be? The closer that trade is to that perfect trade, the higher up that list it goes. Okay, so let's say in that MA cross, it's a buy trade, okay, and you get in here, it goes up a little bit, comes back down, goes up a little bit, comes back down, goes up, and then hits your TP. That would be kind of lower down the list. Whereas something that goes MA cross, buy, bang, TP, that's perfect, okay? And then if it goes entry, straight into the negative, just misses your stop loss, and then goes bang to your take profit, that would be the worst case scenario for the winners. Does that make sense? If it doesn't make sense, put it in the comments down below and I will try and get back to you. Essentially, that's what you're looking for. So once you've done that, now go through your top 10, 20, winners and try and find commonalities. So let's say on, I don't know, 15 out of the 20 winners, a pattern occurs before or during the entry. Okay, that pattern now needs to become part of your trading strategy. Now you don't take a trade unless you see that pattern occur. Or you can go down a different way and say, if the pattern occurs, I'll risk this. If the pattern doesn't occur, I'll risk this. There's a lot of different ways that you can do it, but essentially what you're looking for is saying, if this occurs, there's a higher probability that this is going to be a winning trade. And once that's done, you've now finished this video. So I hope you found this useful. I know there's a lot of work in there. It's not going to take you, an hour to do. It's probably going to take you a little bit longer than an hour. But, that's just the way that I've done it. So you can follow me or not. It's up to you. I don't mind. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you found value in it. And yeah, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure to hit the like button and let me know what you're liking about them. If you want me to change anything or add something in, remove something, drop it in the comments below and let me know. But I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you very much for watching, and remember traders, trade happy.